Hi everyone, today we are going to learn this style and how to use a mold to make the Bowknot. Here's some stuff you need to get prepared. First is the mold. I have two different styles from the Ajisai studio, and the colors from Candy Plus. The acrylic powder from Hawaii collection. I used two different colors, 04 and 05. And we still need the cat size gel, P401, and some accessories from Ajisai, mirror powder, dry flowers and the shells, the foil, the pearls, these small shears, and the light foil. Also, we need this new collection and some transfer stickers. First, we're gonna do this one. So let's use the color 201. Apply a little bit on it. You don't have to apply all of them like this. Then don't cure it. Then add a little bit of 207 to blend it. Like this, and cure it. Then we're going to add 208 to overlap with it, like this, and cure it. Now we need to get our foil and transfer sticker ready. Let's put the light foil on the bottom right first. Then goes to the upper left. Use two different colors to make the contrast. Remember, always use the big piece first. Then use the small one. Like this. Then we're gonna use the transfer sticker in metallic color. It's different from the light foil. One is the matte champagne. This one is the shiny one. Our goal is to use the transfer sticker to make the details. So make sure it's tiny pieces on it. We don't need the very big pieces. Like this. Then we're going to apply some gel overlap some part of the transfer stickers and the foil. Add the color to 07. Apply a little bit. Like this, and cure it. We almost finished the second one. Then we're going to do the fourth one first because it's quite simple. We're going to apply 411 on it first. Then use the magnet to make the lights on the left bottom first. Like this, and cure it. Then let's apply the second layer and use magnet to make the light as well. Like this and cure it. Let's apply a little bit 208 on it to make some depth for our design. Like this and cure it. Then we're going to apply the thick foil and shows on the bottom left. We're gonna use mixing gel and liner brush. Like this and cure it. Then we're gonna use mixing gel to make our layer even. Like this and cure it. And this style is almost done. Now we're going to make the third style. Get your light foil and transfer sticker ready. Put the big piece light foil on the upper right first. Then a little bit on the bottom left. Then we're going to use the transfer sticker in metallic silver and the rose color similar to 207 and 208 like this. Then we're going to use these two colors to do the blending. And we can add a little bit 202 as well. Like this and cure it. Then we're going to use the 3D accessories to decorate this design. Let's apply the mixing on most part of the layer first. Then I'm going to put the accessories that shows the foil almost in the middle, like beside the foil you applied. Like this and cure. Now we're going to apply the limited edition color 777 to make an like S line. Do not cover all of the accessory and the foil like this. Cure it. Now we're going to use the mixing gel to make the layer even. Flip it, let it do the self-leveling, and cure it. Now we're going to apply the transfer sticker in a Aurora color, like this, to make it more shiny. Now we're going to apply the top coat and cure it. Meanwhile, we're going to make the base for the first one. We're going to take a little bit 202, apply on it little by little, like this, and cure it. Now we're going to add a little bit 208, overlap it, then add a little bit 201 and 207 as well, like this, and cure it. We are going to apply P11 from upper right to bottom left. Like this. Then we are going to use a brush to blend the boundary. Like this. Then we're going to use the magnet to making the light in the middle. See, make the lights here and cure it. Then we're gonna add a little bit 777 near the lights, just a little bit like this, and cure it. Now we're going to apply 901, the metallic color, a little bit, blend it like this, and cure it. Now we are going to apply the top coat, cure it. Let's get the 3D accessories prepared. Then we're going to apply this too. We're going to use the pot cylinder from Candy Plus. So apply a little bit first. Then we're gonna choose a little bit more pros on it and carrot. And for this one, we're gonna put the gel in the middle first. Then apply the big pros on it. And then choose the small little one beside it. Now we're going to use the metallic stone to fill the gaps between the pros. Last, we're gonna put a little bit covers on the top. Like this, and cure it. For this one, we're gonna do the enhancement. Use the Python gel and liner brush. Like this, and cure it. The same thing on this one as well. Cure it. Now we're going to put the mirror powder for the second one. Apply the top gel and cure it. We're gonna put the top gel on the first one. Do not cure it. Now we're gonna use Leafgel 002 and liner L brush to make some lines on it. Like this, and cure it. I'm gonna just apply a little bit. Like this, and clean up the powder left. Then we're going to apply the top gel, cure it. Now we're going to make the last one. This one was the Bowknot. Apply 202 on it. Like this and a carrot. Then apply 201 like this and a carrot. Now we're going to make the Bowknot. The color I used is the pinky one for this, and a little bit purple one for this design. I've already made those two. It's same like this. We also need the acrylic liquor and the brush from Candy Plus. First, we can soak your acrylic brush. Now we can dip a little bit powder, then put into the mold. You can flip it to check the color. Make sure the glitter is even. You need to clean up your brush each time by the kitchen paper before you dip the new one. I suggest to do it little by little because the glitter is a little bit big. Like this. Then we're gonna wait for a few seconds and take it off. Before the acrylic becomes total solid, we need to make it apply on the nail tips to make sure it can fit our nail curves perfectly. Like this, make sure there's no gaps between it. Once it's solid, we're going to apply the Patson gel. Like this and a carrot. Since the Bowknot fits perfectly with our nail tips, so we're going to apply the top gel just around the Bowknots, not all of them. Like this and a carrot. We will see there's still a little bit part over our nail tips, so we're gonna use the files to make it perfect. If you're doing on your own nails, you can file and adjust it first and apply the Patson gel. Clean up the dust and we're going to apply the top gel. Don't cure it, and we're gonna use a liner out brush from Candy Plus to make sure there's not too much on top gel on the Bowknot like this and not cure it. So this is everything for the style. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and see you soon.